Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing masks from Amazon. So, this one here is the Nechari Halloween Natural Latex Zombie Mask Cosplay Costume Party New in gray. So, it's a zip bag. And it kind of looks like Planet of the Apes almost. It has a Fu Manchu. And the sun is completely in my eyes, so I cannot really see the screen that well. So it has a ponytail and back, which I'm sure you could open up and just have it be long hair. It's a much thinner quality mask. This is just talking about suffocation on the bag. It's not anything serious. So let's give it a test drive. But it's very very low quality. Even the hair is low quality. To me, it doesn't even really look like a zombie. And then the nose came dented in. So let's give it a test drive. Alright guys, so this is it. Has the ponytail back here. So, like this, it looks a little bit better. But this is a very inexpensive mask, and you get what you pay for. So, well, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the page, like, it, love it. EG Scary out.